Okay. Hello everyone, here's Flynn.
Hey.
And
It's over there.
I was over there. We're
We are
here.
currently hiding from chOpped.
Yeah, chOpped.
We're going to go to his house and do a door knocking prank. Ding dong. Ding dong prank. Where is he? I'm going. Hang on.
Okay. Oh, there he is. I don't think you guys can see him. He's like right over
There he is. Get down, get down.
I can see him, but he's in the background.
I can see him. He's on the bridge. He's on the bridge.
Flynn, stay down, stay down.
Off the bridge.
Stay down.
Stay down, Albert. Stay down, stay down. Crawl over, crawl over. Crawl over.
Dog park. I'm sorry, I don't have the most steady hands. Here he is. The wild Flynn.
I can see him.
There he is. Should we move? No, move until when he gets past the road.
Gets the road.
I'm here. Bear Grylls in the wild. Here. It's surviving in the Australian zoo. Australian outback. Here I find myself with two random animals.
It's so weird. Move up in a second.
Get back! You potato! Here he is. We found him. Moving slowly forward. Yes. Here he is. There's the wild.
Let's go.
Quick. Gotta stay out of sight. Wait, should we bring any paper?
No.
What the flip?
I didn't bring a pen either. Oh no, I've got a pen. Hang on, I don't. Wait, I think I have a pen.
Shh. Howard, stay behind cover. Howard, don't. Wait till he gets to the alleyway. The wild turtle. Okay, let's go. Flynn, you're walking through the alley. We got this. Should we go when he gets to his door? Okay. If we mess it up, we'll walk on the grass or something. Okay, Flynn, you walk so loudly. Shh. Oh, I can't see him over this. shut up. Albert, shh. He's in the sleep we had yesterday. Don't be on the outside of this.
Let's go get something. Let's go get something to write on.
Okay, we're back. We gotta go back for resources. Is there a way to pause this?
Just stop the recording.
Okay, we'll be back when we actually have something. Okay, we are back. Oh, I can't show him his name.
Hello, Chisel.
Cheezel, yeah.
Say from Flynn.
Cheezel. No, yeah. Hello, Cheezel. Final.
Okay, we're back. Let's go.
Hey, if we do this, it's good.
It's just the dog next door. Go. Hurry up. Did you drop your hat? Did you drop his hat? You dropped his hat. He's come back.
Yeah, let me have a go. Oh shit! It wasn't me either, Harry. It was RJ and Flynn. What? Is RJ still running? It wasn't me.
Yes. No, I was up the stairs when I did not. What are you doing?
Dang. You guys,
I was
you failed
upstairs.
prank. And look at this guy.